Go and subscribe if you're clicking on this. That'd be great. Appreciate it. What we're working on is this skiff here. We are sanding it down with 220, 400, 320, and 600 and 800, and working our way up to 12 and 2,000 and 3,000. Not too shabby. So what we've got left here is kind of working backwards a little bit. But I've been scraping this off with a chisel. It's some tape line that was left a while back. So I'm scraping this off with a chisel gently. I'm going to hit it with some Goo Gone or some other kind of adhesive remover. So this will be number one on this. We're doing the bottom and the hull. Might do a couple of gel coat repairs. There's some spots that could use it. And looks like my guy buzzed through either way, so I'm going to be matching paint no matter what, which will be fun. I don't know if you're interested in seeing that happen, matching and gel coat repairs. Go ahead and subscribe one more time. Appreciate it. Like the video, share with your buddies. Thanks.